The world of Avatar has four big groups. These groups are water, earth, fire, and air. Each group has its own people and land. They live in different parts of the world. Some people in each group can control one element. This power is called bending. Waterbenders move water, and firebenders move fire. Each group has its own bending skill. Only one person can bend all four elements. This person is called the Avatar. The Avatar is very special. The Avatar has a big job to do in the world. The Avatar is very important. The Avatar's job is to keep peace in the world. If there is a problem, the Avatar helps to fix it. The Avatar is a helper and leader. When the Avatar dies, a new one is born. The new Avatar comes from a different group. This way, the Avatar is always fair and helps all people in the world. The new Avatar must learn all bending skills. First, they learn their own element. Then, they learn the other three. They must train hard to be strong and wise. Aang is a young boy. He is 12 years old. He is very special because he is the Avatar. The Avatar is the only person who can control all four elements. Aang is the last airbender. His tribe, the Air Nomads, is gone. The Fire Nation attacked them many years ago. Now, Aang is the only one left from his people. Aang was asleep in ice for a long time. He was in the ice for 100 years. When he woke up, the world was very different from before. Aang does not like war. He wants to stop the Fire Nation's war. The Fire Nation is strong and has hurt many people. Aang wants to bring peace. Aang has a big job. He needs to learn airbending, waterbending, earthbending, and firebending well. When he knows all, he can stop the war. Aang has friends to help him. They believe in him. Aang is kind and does not want to hurt anyone. He must find a way to win without hurting people. Katara and Sokka are from the Water Tribe. One day, they find a boy in the ice. This boy is Aang. He is the last airbender. They help Aang get out of the ice. Katara is very good at waterbending. She learns fast. She can move water in strong ways. Sokka does not bend, but he is strong. He fights well with his weapon. One day, a new friend joins Aang. Her name is Toph. Toph is blind, but she is a great earthbender. She can use the ground to see everything around her. Toph is a strong friend. She teaches Aang to bend earth. Aang has to learn each element. Toph helps him use earth with power and skill. Katara, Sokka, and Toph stay with Aang. They travel together. They help him fight the Fire Nation. Aang needs to learn all bending to stop the war. They work as a team. Each friend has a skill. Aang learns from all of them. They protect each other and grow strong together in their adventure. The Fire Nation is very strong. They have great power. They use fire to fight. They want to control the world. Other nations fear them. They attack many places. Fire Lord Ozai is the leader. He is very powerful. He wants to rule all nations. He uses his firebending skills. He does not like peace. He wants war. Zuko is the prince. He wants to catch Aang. He thinks this will give him honor. He travels with his uncle. He follows Aang everywhere. He will not stop. Zuko's uncle, Iroh, helps him. Iroh was a great general. He is kind to Zuko. He gives him advice. He wants Zuko to think. He does not want more war. Aang and his friends know the danger. They must stop Fire Lord Ozai. He is too strong. They make a plan. They have little time. They must act soon. A big fight will come. Many people will fight. Aang must be ready. He is the Avatar. He must learn fast. His friends help him train. He must stop the war. Aang and his friends travel to many places. They learn bending from different teachers. Aang learns water bending first. Katara helps him practice every day. Next, Aang learns earthbending from Toph. She is a strong earthbender. She shows Aang how to be firm and strong. Earthbending is very different from airbending. Aang has trouble with earthbending at first, but with Toph's help, he gets better. He practices a lot. Soon, he can move rocks and protect himself well. Aang then needs to learn firebending. This is hard for him. Fire is powerful. He is afraid to hurt others. He does not want to use fire in the wrong way. Zuko was once Aang's enemy. Now Zuko wants to help Aang. He teaches Aang firebending. They train together every day. Aang slowly learns to control fire. Aang sees fire is not just for fighting. It gives life and energy. With Zuko's lessons, Aang becomes strong. He now knows how to use firebending wisely. Aang is now ready to face Fire Lord Ozai. He must stop the war. He knows all the bending skills. His friends stand with him. They will help in the big fight. Aang does not want to kill Ozai. He thinks there is another way. He must find a way to win without hurting him. This is very important for Aang's journey. The battle is near. The Fire Nation is strong. Aang and his friends need a good plan. They work together. Aang gets ready to face Fire Lord Ozai soon. Aang fights Fire Lord Ozai. The battle is big and strong. Aang does not want to hurt Ozai. He uses his power to take away Ozai's firebending. Without firebending, Ozai is not strong. He cannot fight anymore. Aang wins the battle. The war is finally over. People are safe again. Zuko becomes the new Fire Lord. He wants to bring peace. He helps to fix the world. Aang and his friends support Zuko in his new job. With Zuko as Fire Lord, the Fire Nation changes. There is no more war. People in all nations start to live in peace again. Aang and his friends travel to different places. They help people hurt by the war. Katara and Toph use their bending to fix homes and cities. Sokka helps with plans for new cities. The world begins to heal. Everyone works together to make things better for all people. Aang is now a great avatar. He keeps balance in the world. He talks to leaders and helps solve problems between people and nations. Life is better for all people. The four nations work together. Aang and his friends see the world become peaceful again. Aang is happy. He has good friends. They built a strong world together. Peace has returned, and the world is safe once more.